How to draw the 3D water apple rose apple? Let's begin by gently sketching the basic shape of the water apple. This fruit usually has a slightly bell-like or cone shape, wider and rounder at the bottom and narrower toward the top. Don't press too hard with your pencil. Keep your lines light so you can adjust the shape easily if needed. Once you're happy with the outline, draw a small stem on top to make it look more natural and realistic. Next, decide where your light source is coming from. This is a very important step because it will guide where you place the highlights and shadows, which are key to creating a three-dimensional effect. Imagine a lamp shining from one direction, let's say from the top left. The side facing the light will be brighter and the side facing away will be darker. Now add the highlights. Inside the shape of the fruit, leave a small, curved, bright area where the light hits directly. This will be the shiniest part of the water apple surface. Water apples are often glossy and smooth, so this highlight helps to capture that realistic look. Next, start shading the fruit gradually. Use soft, even strokes to darken the areas farthest from the light source, typically the right side and the lower part of the fruit. As you shade, make sure the color transitions smoothly from dark to light. The middle area should be lighter, creating a rounded effect that makes the fruit look three-dimensional. To add more realism, draw a few surface details. Water apples sometimes have gentle curves or lines running from the top to the bottom. You can lightly sketch these to suggest the fruit's natural texture. Be careful not to make the lines too strong. Subtlety is key here. After that, add a cast shadow underneath or slightly beside the fruit. This step is crucial because it anchors the water apple to a surface and prevents it from appearing like it's floating in the air. Use soft, blended shading for the shadow, and make sure it's darkest closest to the fruit and lighter as it spreads outward. Finally, review your drawing and make any finishing touches. You can smooth out your shading using a blending tool or your fingertip to achieve a more natural look. Sharpen the highlight areas if necessary to enhance the glossy surface. Take a step back and look at your drawing. It should now look like a realistic, three-dimensional water apple. Almost as if you could pick it right off the page.